In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download Instagram private chats before encryption ends. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. You'll be directed to Settings and Activity page. Head over to Account Center. Now navigate to the option Your Information and Permissions. Now go ahead and click on the option Export Your Information. Now click on Create Export. Select where do you want to export your messages. Now click on Notify. Make sure the email address over here is valid. Now click on Customize. Uncheck for all these options and just select the option of Messages and Media. Now click on Date Range. Select it. Likewise select the format as well as media quality. Then click on the option Start Export. Now Instagram will begin preparing your data. Once the file is ready, you will receive an email from Instagram with a download link. Open it, download the file and save it safely on a device or cloud storage. This file will include chat history, media and other account data depending on what Instagram is able to export. So this is how you can easily download Instagram private chats before encryption ends. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.